Upgrade your home security with the best video doorbells. See, hear, and speak to visitors anytime with features like HD video, motion detection, and smart alerts. Starting at number 1, WYZE Wireless Duo Cam. The WYZE Wireless Duo Cam video doorbell features dual cameras, a 2K front-facing lens for people, and a secondary camera for packages, giving you better porch coverage and clearer detection. It supports 2K Full HD video with color night vision, two-way audio, and motion-activated alerts, all without needing a monthly subscription. Local microSD storage supported. The removable rechargeable battery lasts up to 6 months, and the unit is weather-resistant IP65 with dual-band Wi-Fi and an included Wi-Fi chime for indoor notifications. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT for added smart home convenience. Number 2, XTU Battery Doorbell. The XTU J9 Plus is a wireless battery-powered video doorbell with a wide 180-degree head-to-toe field of view that helps cover your entire doorway and package area. It delivers 2K HD video with IR night vision for clear daytime and nighttime monitoring, and uses PIR human detection to send instant alerts to your phone. You can talk with visitors via two-way audio, customize motion detection zones to reduce false triggers, and choose between local SD card storage, no subscription, or free basic cloud clips. It connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, includes a wireless chime, and works with Alexa and Google Home for smart home control. Number 3, XTU Doorbell Camera. The XTU Wireless Video Doorbell delivers 2K HD video with night vision and instant motion human alerts without requiring a monthly subscription. It connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only and offers two-way audio, a built-in chime, and Alexa and Google Assistant support for smart home integration. With local microSD storage up to 128 GB and customizable motion zones, it lets you monitor your front door day and night with clear footage and reliable notifications. Battery life can last up to 2 months depending on usage, and installation is simple with either adhesive strips or screws for renters or homes alike. Number 4, Ring Battery Doorbell. The Ring Battery Doorbell is a wireless video doorbell that expands your front door security with head-to-toe HD video and a 150-50 field of view, letting you see more of visitors and packages at your doorstep. It runs on a rechargeable built-in battery, USB-C charge, and pairs with your phone for live view, two-way talk, and real-time motion alerts. Customizable motion zones help reduce false alerts, and optional cloud storage and advanced person/package notifications are available with a Ring Protect subscription. You can also integrate it with Alexa for voice features and smart home control. Number 5, Google Nest Doorbell. The Google Nest Doorbell battery is a smart video doorbell with HD live video, HDR, and night vision that helps you keep an eye on your front door from anywhere via the Google Home app. It uses built-in intelligence to distinguish between people, packages, animals, and vehicles, and sends alerts without a subscription. Plus, it includes 3 hours of free event video history, expandable with a Nest Aware plan. Whether you install it wireless or wired, you get two-way audio, a tall vertical field of view, and reliable notifications for activity at your doorstep.